Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this new amazing video tutorial. So in this video lecture, I will show you that how you can change this default Gutenberg editor into the WordPress previous classic editor, okay? So for doing that, we have to install a new plugin. So simply scroll down and from here, plugins, click on add new. We're going to add a new plugin called Classic Editor and then simply search for Classic Editor. EDITOR. Okay, search here for Classic Editor. Alright guys, and after this simply click on install now. Alright, you can see that it's installing and then click on activate. Alright guys, it's activating, and after activating simply scroll down and from your WordPress settings simply hover over here on settings. And from here, click on writing. And from writing, simply select Classic Editor, okay? Don't select Block Editor because we're going to switch from Block Editor to our Classic Editor, okay? So simply select Classic Editor. But if you want the Gutenberg Block Editor, then you have to select this one, okay? But I'm selecting Classic Editor. And then simply scroll down. And then click on Save Changes, guys. I hope that you have understand how this actually works. And then simply hover over here on Post. And then let me just view my post, the Gutenberg blocks. Alright, guys. And you can see that we have our previous Classic Editor. Okay, I hope that you have understand. And let me just update this post. And let me just view this post, okay guys? So simply click on view post, open this link in a new tab, okay? And then simply you can see that this is how our Classic Editor's post looks like. Let me add here an image. So simply scroll and press enter here, and then simply close this. And from here, simply guys, click on this toggle shift per, and you can add a lot of things from here. But I'm going to click on this add media and let me select an image from here. Select this image. Alright guys, I've selected my image, and then from here simply click on update, okay guys, and then simply view your post. Alright, you can see that here is our image. So I hope that you have understand how we can get back our WordPress Classic Editor, okay, and how you can use that. So that's all for today, guys. So see you in the next video. I hope that this video was really helpful for you. If you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for our upcoming videos, and you can also hire us for your projects, okay guys? So see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel. Goodbye.